Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a payment gateway in Google Sites, receive payments on Google Sites. So let's get started. So here we are in our Google Sites, and from here we have our sample website right here with our product with the price right here. But we don't have the actual payment gateway present in our website. So we have three ways on how you can do this. So the first way would be to add a button here into your Google site. So click here on a button. Here under the insert page, click on button and then name the button right here. You can name this buy here, and then you can go for the link right here. So what you want to do with the link is that you would want to take your customer to an external website where the product is right here. So for example, you have your product in Amazon. Like for example, you have your product in Amazon. Let's go for perfumes right here. Let's go for perfume right here just for an example, and let's say this is the product that you're selling right here. So let's just choose maybe this one just for an example. Okay, this is just an example. So what you want to do with this one is that you want to copy the link right here, and you want to copy that, you want to paste this into your button, paste that and insert, and now you would have this button right here, and you can just modify its placing where you would want it to go. So let's say I want it maybe right here, and I'm gonna resize this button into the size right there, and then I'm just gonna place it there. And yeah, that is this and this button. So now what would happen is that when your customer clicks on this button, they would be redirected into this page right here in Amazon, and from here they would be able to buy your product. So you can also paste your affiliate link right here. So for example, you're an affiliate in Temu or Amazon or whatsoever, you could just put your link right here, and then when they are interested in buying this product, they would click the link, and then they would use your affiliate link in buying the product, therefore you would get commission. So that is also another way on how you can do that here in Google Sites. So this is the first way, which is using the button. And now for the next thing that we are gonna do is that we are gonna need Ecwid app right here and integrate it into our Google site. So you want to go into ecwid.com, and then you will be prompted right here. And from here, you want to click on get started for free. And then basically when you click on that, you would need to sign up first. But I am already signed in it because I already have created an account. But if in your case you don't have one yet, then you can just sign up using a Google account for easier process, or you could just use your email and so on. So once you're here in Ecwid, you would have this dashboard right here. So when your account is new, you would need to get ready for your first sales. So you need to follow this procedure. So the first one is add your store to your website or to your Google site. So you want to click on this one. And then from here, you want to find the custom website right here. Since our website is a custom website, so we want to click on here, click on learn more. And from here, we would want to copy the code to our clipboard, and we're going to paste it in our store. So let's go back into Google Sites. And from here, we're just going to delete this right here. So delete. And then from here, we're going to click here on embed, because we're gonna embed our code right here. So click on embed code, not URL. So paste it right here and click on next. And you wanna tap on insert right there. So that is basically how easy it is to embed the Ecwid app into our website. And as you can see, that is it. And now all you have to do is just wait for it to load. And since we don't have any products yet, so it's not showing. So as you can see, these are the products, the sample products that we have on Ecwid, but we're gonna modify that later on. So let's go back into Ecwid. And from here, we're gonna go to our catalog, go to our products, and from here, we're gonna modify our products. And we have the samples right here. So in this case, we'll just be hiding this one since we don't really want this to show into our store, because these are just samples. So from there, and then basically what we're gonna do is we are gonna go disable everything right there. So we're just gonna disable that, and there we have it. And now from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our own product, add new product right here, and then you can upload the images of your product right here on your Google Store. You can click here, upload the product, and there we have it. And then from here you can put up the name, so tutorial of product, and the SKU and whatsoever, the description. So I'm just gonna put something random just for an example. And then you would also see some features right here that has this star icon. That would mean that it is only available on the premium version of Ecwid, so you don't have it for free. So if you want those features, then you would need to upgrade your plan here on Ecwid. And then from here you can go for the attributes. You can go for the attributes right here, the brand, the UPC, the value, and so on. You have your options. You can add product variations, like for example here. So you want to go for color, you can go for red, you can go for blue, and green. Then you would have this product variations right there. And then the next thing is a customer input field. So this is where you can collect additional informations from customers or to let them customize the product that they buy. So for example, you have a print on demand product, so you can also tell the customers that they can input the design that they want for the t-shirt or whatsoever. And then the next thing is you can go for files. So if you are selling digital goods, this is where you would want to upload it, but as you can see, it is only available on the pro version. Next is the shipping and pickup. So this is where your product would require the shipping and pickup. So you can state the weight and dimensions, the shipping rates right here. You can use your store's shipping methods. You can use specify shipping methods for this product or whatsoever, depending on what's needed in your store. And the product preparation time, so you can specify the shipping method settings. It's normally the same for all products in the catalog. So for products that take more or less time to prepare and therefore affect the preparation time, specify the preparation time here, but it's only available in the pro version. You can also go for the SEO on how it would appear on the Google or other search engines. The related products right here, you can also click on enable right here so that you would also be able to recommend the product page to promote other products that you have and increase the sales. And then the next thing is the buy now button. So you can also embed the product right here. So you can insert this product anywhere on your site with the buy button. Customers will be able to order from all pages when you have this product embedded. So we can click on embed product. And then from here, you can just stay on this page first. And let's just set up everything here first. So let's say the price would be $250. And then from here, you can click on save right there. And now it is saved. So let's go back to the buy now button, click on embed product right here. So let's say we want to enable this, and here we are. And then this is our product that we want to embed. So we want to select the layout on how we would like to embed it. So in my case, I think I would want let's say something simple. So I think this one is great. So I'm just gonna click on generate code and click on copy code right here. And then all we have to do now is basically go back here. So first, let's click here on embed and embed code again and paste it here again and click on next and insert. And then we would now have it here on our site. So let's just give it time to load. And as you can see, we now have it here right now. So that is basically how you can do that in embedding your products here in Google Sites using Ecwid. So now let's refresh and let's see if this one gets updated. So let's go scroll again. And we would see the embedded product right here. As you can see, it might just take a while to load. That is the only downside of this one that I can see. So as you can see right here, we now have our product also here. It is now updated. We don't have the sample products anymore. So that is basically how you can do this here. This is the second way. So let's say we would now publish this website right here. And let's just publish. So let's say a sample tutorial store right there. This is just an example, so let's publish it and let's test it out right there. So we can now view the published site right there. And now here we have it. So now let's go and click our embedded store here in Ecwid. As you can see, it's taking a while to load, so that is the only downside that I can see. So click here, so you can go for the color, you can go for blue, and the quantity and the price. So let's say we have now added it to our cart right here, so buy now, and as you can see, it just does that. And the next thing is this one, so we're gonna click on this product right here, and we can go for the color and add more and go to checkout. And then let's wait for this one to load right here, and now we can check this out right here. So as you can see, this is only a add to cart button. So as you can see, this one has been added here. As you can, this is the blue one, so it has been added right here. And then you can enter your email address for your checkout. So this address will be used to send your order status update. So we can just put something, maybe my Gmail checkout right here, and there we have it. Now we can pay by cash and so on. So this is how your payment gateway would look like, and you can add more payment gateways if you'd like. So you can go back into Ecwid and go into payment right here, and then from here you can set up your payment gateways with Ecwid. You can go for Stripe, PayPal, manual payment methods, and other options that you have right here. So yeah, this is the second method, and this is basically the basics on how you can set up your payment gateway here in Ecwid and integrate it into your website. The next thing is we are gonna add a PayPal button into our store. So when you click on the button, you should see something like this. So you would have the order summary in PayPal, the item total, and so on. You can also increase the quantity right here, and the description on the products that you are currently buying with PayPal. So this is how it would look like. And to add a PayPal button, you would need to go into google.com, search for PayPal button, click on create PayPal buttons right here. So you want to click on that, and then from here you would want to click on pay links and buttons, and from here you would need a business account to proceed in these process in order for you to create your link and button for PayPal. So that would be the one thing that would be necessary for this process, and then after that you can integrate it into your website. So I'm not going to show you the whole process because I don't have a business account yet, but this is basically how you can do it, on how you can create this checkout right here. But you always have the other option on Ecwid, just like I have shown you earlier, that you can still set up your payment method using PayPal from Ecwid. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can set up your payment gateway in Google Sites. Thank you for watching.